Hello, my friend, grade 2. Are you fine today? Great. I am Miss Wiam Basuni, math teacher from Taqwiya, and today we're going to start a new lesson, which is Egyptian money. I'm going to store to buy my items. What do I need to buy my items? Yes, I need money. Money is used to pay for different goods and service. Today, I'm going to learn about Egyptian money. We often use LE to stand for word Egyptian pound. For example, if we have 5 pound, you can write it as 5 LE. When you go to pay for something, you give the cashier banknotes or coin. So what is the banknotes? And what is the different kind of banknotes and coin? The banknotes has different color and back and front. So let me show you what are the banknote look like. This is the banknote of Egyptian pound that represent 1 LE, and this is front and this is back. And also we have coins represent 1 pound. And this is 5 pound, and this is front and this is back. The next is 10 pound, and we write it as 10 LE, and this is front and this is back. The next is 20 pound, and this is front and this is back, and we can write it as 20 LE. This one is 50 pound, and this is front and this is back, and we write it as 50 LE. The next one is 100 pound, and this is front and this is back, and we write it as 1 LE. The last one is 200. This is front and this is back, and we write it as 200 LE. Now, let's talk about decomposing money. What's the meaning of decomposing? It's mean break up money into different way. So here we have 10 LE, and I want to break 10 into different way. So the first way, we have 10 ones pounds. So it's equal 10 pounds. Another way, 5 and 5 pounds, it's also equal 10 pounds. Another way, we have 5 pounds, 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1 pounds. So it's equal 10 pounds. Listen to this story. Sandy buys a doll. It costs 23 LE. She has many banknotes. How can she pay for this doll? We have many ways to decompose 23. Here are some different ways to pay 23 LE for the doll. The first way, 20 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal 23 LE. And 10 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal 23 LE. Another way, 10 plus 5 plus 5, 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal 23 LE. Can you think about another way? Actually, you have many different ways to pay 23 LE. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye-bye.